Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Legian Bali on Malasi Street, where it's the shopping center area in Legian Bali. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right at the moment, just keep in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, hey today, all we are fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Legian Bali on Malasi Street, the shopping center area in Legian Bali, because in this area there is few art markets. Okay, so if you want to know how the situation at the moment on Malasi Street, just make sure watch the video until the end. And as usually today I will make video stuff from the east part until to the west area, until around Padma Resort over there. Okay, let me show you how busy Legian Bali today. But maybe some area I have to keep talking louder because few restaurant, few cafe, they use loud music. Okay, let me show you around here. Oof, over there is Raya Legian Street, just another 50 meters. And this is Raya Malas. Oh, sorry, this is Melasti Street, and this is Legian Art Market. Okay, let's see how busy at Legian Art Market today. Wow, it's quiet, isn't it? Really quiet, really sad. No tourists in this area. How come so quiet? Oof. See? No one here. Okay, let's going back to the main road on Malasi Street. Hello. Wow. She looks so busy. And she look happy. That's good. That's the one thing important. Across the street, left side. Wow, busy over there. A lot of trees. Walk around the footpath. And this video I record on 12 p.m. So maybe they are already going to the restaurant to having lunch, because lunchtime is coming soon at 1 p.m. Another Legian Art Market, also not really busy over there. Really sad, isn't it? Wow. Very quiet. Yeah. Lunchtime coming soon. So they go to the restaurant to having lunch. Whoa. How come so quiet? Ooh. Yeah, maybe they go to the restaurant to having lunch. So that's why on the sidewalk it's empty. Legian Golden Square. This is the parking area for Legian Golden Square. the Mahogany Resort. Wow. Very strange. Empty over here. Lebabana Street also looks so quiet over there. Just so strange. Usually in this area, a lot of tourists walk around on the footpath. Not so busy. This is Garlic Line Legian Bali. Wow, always busy. I will make video there today also, and we'll upload the next day because it's gonna be a long video if I keep continue walking over there. Yeah, now it's quite busy in this area, isn't it? That's good. Wow, busy, busy, busy. They're just really good. Uncle Norm. Yeah, it is actually very strange for me because usually this area is always busy when I make video at Malasi Street, but today really quiet. Just really sad, isn't it? Okay, let me show you also how busy at Legian Art Market on Malasi Street today. This is another art market. Shopping. They're selling for lunch, coffee, and also some snack. Wow, so quiet at Legian Art Market today. It's quiet, isn't it? Wow, really sad. What's happening here? Yeah, terima kasih. This is Premier Temple. People temple at the market. They do pray before they start the business, and they hope, they wish, get a lot of business. It's quiet, isn't it? Just really sad. I don't know why it's so quiet in this area. Usually on Malasi Street it's always busy. Really sad. Oof. See, future is over there. Not bad. And this is cafe we call the Duke. And now actually lunchtime, but it's so quiet over there. And usually I was visit too over there at the restaurant. Yeah, another 200 meters is Legian Beach and Kuta Beach over there. And this is Legian Beach Hotel. My grandma, Davido, Rick, and Paul will stay there. Whew. Not so busy. Really sad. I'm here already, waiting for your coming. Okay guys, so this is our game today in Legian Bali on Malasi Street. So what do you think? Quiet, really sad. Okay, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because the people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the best session at the moment in Legian Bali. And don't forget to the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Quiet, quiet.